Sit tight back here, Doc.
But I know the layout of the compound.
Can't risk it, even with your pistol skills.
We'll let you know when it's safe.
Bunker's on the other side of the compound, but it'll be locked down.
Hey, how do we get in?
The ground! Their base commanders held security cards.
So, we're searching corpses and uniform Zeke.
That's, most likely.
If they had time, they would have rigged mines on the way out. I'm reloading!
Nothing useful here.
We got a ball! Pass that down!
Nothing here.
Enemy mines!
I've got nothing here.
All eyes, over here!
I've got the security card.
Lurker in the zone! Am I clear to come through?
Doc, we're good to go.
I'm coming through!
Gates bolted from the outside. It's the only way to reach the bunker.
That's not gonna budge without a breaching charge.
I'm gonna blow it!
Going silent. The area's clear. Moving to the bunker.
The bunker is up the hill on the left!
Stand a defense kit!
Fortification!
Who's got the security card? Check this out!
Place the machine gun.
Look, I found something!
Get us in.
I'll get it open.
Silence that son of a bitch!
Live! Electric grid is set.
Eyes open. What the fuck?
I set off the alarm! It's not mobilized, but... It can open every door in the bunker!
Open the fucking door!
I set up another turret! Watch that goddamn lurker!
Keep coming. Here we go. Meat sacks. Come on, bitches.
Coming in! What the fuck is taking so long? I'm going as fast as I can! Swap it out!
Put down that bull.
I'm on a tear!
Fall back. Move.
Let's go! We've lost power! Wait, there's a backup generator!
Where?
Down this tunnel! Machine room! On the right!
That's what you get. Swapping in the big gun.
The doors are closing!
They're coming from inside the tunnel! We can't hold them! Hey, look over here!
I'm in a junction room! I think I can reach the fan control and shut it down! Do it!
Don't move, Doc. We can't risk it. Come on, bitches. Silence that son of a bitch!
The fan's off! Go through!
Fall back! Move!
Get the vandal! Flip the switch! Come and get it!
I think that's all of them.
We've got to move quickly.
How's it looking?
We're at full power. Network is solid. Yeah, it's going to work.
We'll cover you so you can do your thing.
I can't do it alone! What? What? Just tell us what to do! We've got to power up the array. Trigger up the startup on the console downstairs.
Hush it, people. Done! Oh! Cover green gold!
We've got that lookout! I need help! All over me! Going down!
Now, I need to align the dish. Activate the console to spin up the motors.
All right, done.
Look, I found some. I've got to get to the next station! Keep him off green gold! Heads up for a lookout! Check this out! All
Now
right,
that's a
under
weapon.
here.
Good enough.
Check this!
Okay, it's working. Now the telemetry uplink.
The key on the instrument panel. Turn it.
All right, done. Protect the dock.
Done! It's working! I've authorized the
Key I can use with any laptop. Get to the roof and radio for evac. The air defense grid is down.
Reload!
Phoenix! We need evac from the roof! Let's keep it loaded! Back it up!
Where is that creep?
I want it dead! I'm on a tear! All eyes, over here!
Shit. Phoenix! Phoenix!
Voltage rate down. Ready to fly.
Good.
Phoenix, we are under attack! Phoenix! Alpha, I read you.
Think, fuck. Defense grid offline. Get your ass over here.
Copy, Alpha, on my way.
There's the swarm!
Get inside! These control panels will open the factory!
Look over here.
Bull exterminated. I'm out!
Machine gun is set. Hold your ground!
Come on, bitches!
Who's next?
Silence that son of a bitch!